Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Elden Ring Nightreign online not working. So if you have a matchmaking issue on the Elden Ring Nightreign, then this video is for you. So first things first, you can check the server status by visiting the Elden Ring server status. So you can use third-party sites like Down Detector in order to get access. You can also make sure to update the game on your PC via Steam or via on the console via the game tile options. You can also head over to your network settings. You can use wired Ethernet if possible, and also if you have in here some particular thing, you can also restart your router and enable UPnP on this, as well as choose ports to open. If you are actually PC specific, you can turn off VPNs or proxies and disable third-party firewalls or antivirus. You can also check the NAT type. On your PC, use the Open NAT router configuration. On PS5 or Xbox, you can go to Network Settings and ensure NAT type 1 or 2 is open or moderate. Make sure to also enable cross-region play by going to the System and Network setting and setting a cross-region play to perform matchmaking. After that, launch the setting and play online is selected. After this, make sure that your password and multiplayer settings is the same on the password and please don't use a group password. Now you can also verify your game files using your Steam by going to the actual app onto the Steam and then going to installed files and verify integrity of it. After that, you can relog in or restart your application. You can restart your platform like your PC or on console, log out and log back into the Steam or Xbox after that. Last resort, you can also reinstall the game and uninstall it and reinstall it, and this may actually fix your problem. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.